Just wanted to talk to you about a very interesting article that I found, and it's that Ferrari are soon to accept Bitcoin payments. So I'll just show you the article and talk you through it and the ins and outs of it, what countries and when. So the article is Ferrari to accept crypto as payment for its cars in the US. And this article can be found on CNBC.com. And CNBC is brilliant for markets, business, everything like that. So I'll just take you down through the article now as well. So Ferrari has started to accept payment in cryptocurrency for its luxury sports cars in the US and will extend the scheme to Europe following requests from its wealthy customers, marketing and commercial chief told Reuters. So yeah, the wealthy clients who are invested in Bitcoin and who have got good returns want to actually use it to buy the Ferraris. So the vast majority of blue chip companies have have steered clear of crypto as the volatility of Bitcoin and other tokens renders them impractical for commerce. Patchy regulation and higher energy usage have also prevented the spread of crypto as a means of payment. But Ferrari is thinking differently now. So these include electric car maker Tesla, which in 2021 began to accept payment in Bitcoin, the biggest crypto coin, before CEO Elon Musk halted it because of environmental concerns. So Ferrari's chief marketing and commercial officer Enrico Galleri told that Reuters cryptocurrencies had made efforts to reduce their carbon footprint through the introduction of new software and larger use of renewable resources. Our target to reach for carbon neutrality by 2030 along our whole value chain is absolutely confirmed, he said in an interview. Ferrari said the decision that came in response to requests from the market and dealers, as many of its clients have invested in crypto. Some are young investors who have built their fortunes around cryptocurrencies, he said. That's pretty cool to hear. Some others are more traditional investors who want to diversify their portfolios. While some cryptocurrencies, such as the second largest one, Ether or Ethereum, have improved their energy efficiency, Bitcoin still attracts criticism for its energy intensive mining. Ferrari shipped more than 1,800 cars to its Americas region, which includes the US, in the first half of this year. Gileri did not say how many cars Ferrari expect to sell through crypto. He said the company's order portfolio was strong and fully booked well into 2025, which is very positive. So, but the company wanted to test this expanding universe. So this will help us connect to people who are not necessarily our clients, but might afford a Ferrari, he said. Now that's very good thinking. People, this is an untapped market, maybe people who wouldn't have considered a Ferrari before, but because they can pay in Bitcoin, this will attract them. Good thinking. So the Italian company, which sold 13,200 cars in 2022, with prices starting at 200,000 euros. Imagine 200,000 euros for a car. Wow, or $211,000, and going up to 2 million euros. Plans to extend the crypto scheme to Europe by the first quarter of next year and then to other regions where crypto is legally accepted. So, Europe, the Middle East, and Africa is Ferrari's largest region, according to accounting for 46% of its total car shipments in the first half of this year. So interest is the same in the US and Europe. We don't see huge differences, he said. So that's, yeah. So they're sold pretty much right across the board in Europe and America. Ferrari has turned to one of the biggest cryptocurrency payment processors, BitPay, for the initial phase in the US and will allow transactions in Bitcoin, Ether, and USDC, one of the largest so-called stable coins. But the interesting thing about this is prices will not change. There's no fees, no surcharges if you pay through cryptocurrency. So that will protect people. So BitPay will immediately turn cryptocurrency payments into traditional currency on behalf of Ferrari dealers, so they are protected from price swings, which I've showed you on other videos that Bitcoin is prone to high price swings every so often. So this was one of our main goals, avoiding both our dealers and us to directly handle cryptocurrencies and being shielded from their wide fluctuations. Yeah, that's what I just said there. So as the payment processor, BitPay will ensure that the virtual currencies come from legitimate sources and not derived from criminal activity to be used to launder proceeds of crime or evade tax. So yeah, they'll be tightly regulated that way. So Ferrari's marketing and commercial chief said that the majority of the US dealers have already signed up or are about to agree to the scheme. I'm confident others will join soon, Galare said. I find this very interesting. Like cryptocurrency, Bitcoin as a digital currency was just something for the wealthy who could trade it there a number of years ago, but because of the likes of the platform I'm using, eToro, you can buy fractional shares on Bitcoin and even spend as little as €10 on Bitcoin. And well, it gives you a chance to see the fluctuations in it, which, like as I said, there hasn't been many fluctuations the last number of months, but there was wild swings there the last year or two. So yeah, it's interesting to see that cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are going to be taken on board by major a company like Ferrari, which is very interesting now to see. And I thought I'd bring you this article because I found it interesting myself. And let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section about the future of Bitcoin. And will we be shopping and doing our weekly shopping in 20, 30 years to come? Will we be paying in Bitcoin? Who knows?